everybody, you're on the lot with Stephen Hill here at Jaguar Land Rover West Houston. A lot of my clients have been asking me about the Defender winch, and we just got our first one on, so let's check it out. So this is kind of a project car for us, and we went ahead and put the aftermarket wheels and tires on. We're gonna put the wheel arch protectors on as well. And then check out the winch up here, almost completed. So you got your push bar. They've moved the camera to the front. I think we're using a Badland Winch with a remote. And then you got your winches locked in right here. And then the hooks in the back of the vehicle. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Only thing I would do is maybe put some mud flaps on, which I'll show you here in a second. We've got a car, customer's car here, has the mud flaps on already too. It's almost done. All right guys, also I've got a Defender X on the service drive. One of our clients is gonna get the winch put on as well, but the Defender X is a little bit different. So we'll figure that out and I'll have a follow-up video on that. But he also has some 22-inch wheels with the off-road Nitto tires, which I'll show you close-ups on. Also, it's got the raised air intake, which he's already had that on there, but also added the mud flaps. So check it out. I'm over here in service. Walk in right now, check it out. Service department. All right, so this is the Defender X. That they've put the 22-inch Nitto tires on here.
I would black out the gold part. That's what I'm doing next. But I'm gonna.
Do they ride smooth? Are they pretty quiet?
They're pretty quiet. They ride smooth. They're the smoothest riding.
285, 45, R20s. These are Nittos. Nitto. And is there anything else? Ridge Grabber. All right, good.
Now,
these mud flaps are pretty awesome. I would recommend them. And they doesn't rub, right? When you put these 22s on, it's not rubbing on you? You turn it all the way and they're not rubbing with these tires and the setup. Did you have a lift on this or is it regular?
Regular.
Okay.